Okay, now this lesson is supposed to come after when we solve for x, when addition and subtraction are in isolation from multiplication and division. Now we have to put all four operations together. And we have to remember what to do with all four operations, not just two at a time. So what we remember is x plus 19 equals 29. We do the inverse of plus, which is minus. Then we bring up that number, minus 19, both sides. Minus 19, both sides. X equals 10. Pretty easy, okay? Now, x divided by 4, so times 4 both sides. All right? Times 4 both sides. X equals 17 times 4 is 68. Okay? Right here. Whoops. Here we have minus 29. So we're going to add 29 both sides. Add 29 both sides. X is equal to 44. Okay? Now, this is multiply by 3. Divide by 3. Divide 3 both sides. Divide 3 both sides. 3 into 45, 1, 3, 15, 5. X is equal to 15. Now, subtract 9. So we're going to do the opposite. Add 9 both sides. Add 9 both sides. 26. X equals, let's check this one. 26 minus 9. 26 minus 9 is 17. Equals, check. Okay? This is x plus 12. Plus 12 minus 12. Minus 12 both sides. Minus 12 both sides. Be careful, borrow. 1 minus 2 is not 1. Borrow 3, 11, 9, 29. If we put 29 there for x, 29 and 12 is 41. Big check there. Let's go down here. If you just guess at this quickly, some people might incorrectly think the answer is 11. But watch out. Divided by 5 times by 5. 5 over 5 is 1 times 5. And then we go 55 times 5 is 25, and 250 is 275. X is equal to 275. Now, the key difference between adding and subtracting and multiplying and dividing is when we add and subtract. Look at this. It's x plus 0 or x minus 0. That's what we're trying to get to finally get x equals. But multiplying and dividing, what we're doing there is we're trying to get the numbers to get to be 1 times x. Because 1 times x is x. Now these are two different strategies. Well, it's the same strategy to get x on both sides, but we do it differently depending on what we start with. Okay? Now watch this. X plus 3 is 10 minus 3 minus 3. Now on this side we get x plus 0 equals 7. Now, what is x plus 0? X. So we're getting x. Now here, 3 times x, divide by 3, divide by 3. What's 3 divided by 3? 1 times x is 8. So right here, that's the key point. That's the key difference between adding and subtracting and multiplying and dividing. Last thing, x minus 3, add 3. So we get x plus 0 is equal to 17. X plus 0 is x. x is 17. Whereas here, divide by 6 times 6 times 6. Now, 6 and then this is equal to 6 over 6 times x. That's 1. That's 1 times x, which is equal to x is equal to 42. And I hope I didn't talk too much there. Thank you.